Welcome to FAT tutorial. Let's make this mechanical design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. So select the front plane, sketch, then select the line, okay, like this. Okay, select this one, make it horizontal. Okay, smart dimension. This dimension is 92. This dimension is 87. This dimension is 53. The distance from here to here is 12. Okay, and the distance from here to here is 12 also, and the distance from here to here is 12. Close. Then apply the fillet, and the dimension is 10. Okay, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, close this one. Go to the feature, extrude base, and extrude up to 74, blind to mid plane. Okay, then select the top portion, sketch, draw a 3-point arc like this. Okay, so select this one and remove this relation. Okay, go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 90. Okay, and select the line again and make it fill like that. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, and up to 20, and close. Then select the top plane again, go to the sketch, draw a circle, and we will draw somewhere here. Smart dimension, it is 15. The distance from here to this end is 37. Okay, and the distance from top is 21. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut. Okay, 20 mm is okay. Then select this portion, sketch, draw a central line. Okay, then draw a circle on the midpoint like this. Go to the smart dimension, and this is 35 dia. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base up to 65, select the merge result, and okay. Then go to the fillet option, select this end, and it's 10 mm. Okay, then go to the chamfer command, select this end, and it is 3 mm and angle is 45. Okay, then select this portion, sketch, draw a center circle. Okay, the dimension is 7.5. okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, and showing only not 65, it's 25. Okay, then select this plane, sketch, draw a circle again, smart dimension, the dia is 15. The distance from this end is again 21, and the distance from here to here is 37. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, and okay. So now our 3D model is ready. The next part is material. Go to the appearance, select the appearances, and we will use the metal. We're using the copper. So I will select this one and apply. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.